Hi, this is my unboxing for this grinder from Fellow. I already have the kettle, Fellow Stag. This is the Ode grinder, the brew grinder. And this is the generation 2. I did not want the first one. I wanted the first one, but when I knew this one came out and it has all the improvement. It's a beautiful box, always nice design with this company. And I'm pretty excited. I had a Eureka Mignon Specialita modified for doing single dosing that I can switch between brew grinding and espresso grinding. But I wanted a true brew grinder. And now I have one. So let's unbox this beautiful box from Fellow. 64mm brew burr. There's a couple of differences from the first generation, of course, to make it better. There's a bigger hopper for the beans. I think there's less retention and it does not make a mess. Always very nice. And just want you to show you this, the form it has. And the box, I felt it was heavy. It's a good sign. Always having fresh coffee, and I'm an espresso drinker. And I do a V60 each morning. And I'm very happy now that I will have my dedicated grinder. But you see there's maybe, okay, they give you maybe where you should put the grinder, on what setting, to have access to consistency you need, huh? I'm excited. I'm sorry. What's in the box? Oh, there's a little brush with their logo. Oh, they're so generous. Okay, feel cheap. But I'm not going to cry right away. Give me time. Just gonna put some stuff away. And you can see it looks gorgeous, and yes, it's hefty. Got a cord. And I would like to know why this power cord is so short. It's the same thing with their kettle. The cord is ridiculously short. And you have this big button to change the ground setting. This for the retention when you're finished, and there's the cup. Not everybody likes the cup, but I think it has been changed for the generation 2. No cat. Hey, come on, don't do that. I think it's magnetized here. Looks pretty neat. And yes, magnet. Just feels solid. I like the color. Comes in white. Need to be strong. I'm a Hercules. Don't drop. Cat, please. Please, please, cat. Come on. It's hard. Now, everything looks good. And I'm pretty excited to do my first pour over using this grinder. I will need to test it. So there will be another video to see if I like it. I hope I do. Because it does cost some money. Everything in coffee does cost money. But there's ways it could not cost money, that you go to the Tim Hortons. No, it's gonna cost money. I'm joking, of course. So I don't know what else to say than just to show you that this unboxing is quite easy. The grinder was like this out of the box. Just need to, cannot reach. Come on, come on. Maybe there's a reason. There's a front button here. And I'm just going to show you behind me. I have a problem, too much machine. I don't have space to put it right now. And it's important to say that these two machines are not staying, they're not mine. So I have the Mara X so I will have space to do my coffee station for my V60. But I'm really excited with those two machines. You can see I will have other video on them. So now it's time for me to say goodbye and just it was just a little hello to the new grinder that is a work of art, like my Eureka Minion that I love. Beautiful. And now let's see if it was worth it to have a dedicated grinder. Is it going to taste better? That's the hope. Thank you, and say goodbye, grinder. Did you show your fufoon? Here's the fufoon. Click, 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 click. Bye-bye.